25,000 royal jellies trying to get a fucking shock bee.
Bro, this is pure comedy. You gotta fucking precise before that. This is actually pure comedy.
Wait, was there not a 1 trillion option for royal jellies?
No, there was a 1 million one. I was just waiting for a mythic to pull up.
And let it be a tadpole bee.
Come on, give him more rascals. Give him more rascals, bro. This is actually pure comedy. You're the AR animates, but instead of getting brave bees, you get the rascal. No!
Just in time for the OBS. Okay, now I can change my settings until legendary on. Okay. I hope this is not a fucking waste.
I can't wait to see demon bees.
I can't either.
I just cannot wait, bro. This is pure comedy. Wait, which one are you transforming?
This one about the music bee that just became a music bee.
Okay.
Okay, I have enough music bees then.
No, you need 2. Actually,
I need 4.
No, you need.
I have 4.
No, bro. Do you have toy horn?
No.
Wait, what? Check
No.
your check.
I
Wait, show me your
have
bee
4.
quips. Show me your bee quips.
What? Can you repeat?
Show me your bee.
I did. Bee quips?
Yeah, show me them.
There.
Oh,
Why the
what?
fuck?
Wait, give your snow tiara to the windy bee, you idiot.
Wait, what?
Give it to
This
the.
was equipped? No, this was on a windy bee. What?
Maybe because
do I have
maybe because
anything?
you gifted it. Give it to the windy.
No, wait. Windy has snow globe. Oh.
Give the snow globe to something else.
Oh, you can just change it like that.
Yeah. Wait. Wait, show me your bee quip storage. I have 2 snow globes. What?
What?
Wait, show me it show me over again. But slower. Bro, what? Wait, go to your
Wait,
bee quip thing. Go to your bee quip thing. Remove the pine cones, the paper angel, and the lay.
Can we like deal with bee quips after bees?
Okay.
What the fuck? Why am I so fast? The negative effects of gifted haste. Okay, so what do I need? I need carpenter and carpenter. Only carpenter.
Yeah.
I was about to royal jelly a spicy bee.
Bro, that would have mentally killed me.
Just because I'm so fucking used to royal jellying spicy bees.
That would have mentally killed me on the inside. Can't wait to see the gifted demon. Oh my fucking god. You need 2 more.
Yo, 28!
A demon!
28 billion honey spent on a gifted demon bee.
Yo! Oh, this is comedy. Oh my god.
11,000 royal jellies.
No!
How many do I need again?
1 more.
Wait, you only need 3?
Yeah.
Fire ass fucking royal jellies.
Buy like 500.
Okay, 300 is enough.
Okay.
Surely. For a gifted
Keyword surely.
Surely I wouldn't get unlucky.
Surely. Also, why the fuck do you have 3 lion bees? You don't need them.
I have 4.
What? You need one. You don't
Okay.
actually. You don't even need it, but because vectors are good, you need one.
Okay.
Demon beast, keep rolling in, please. Wait, why do you have 4 music? Oh right, you don't have a toy horn. Because you're fucking poor.
What do you mean poor? How do we get a toy horn?
Beastmas. Oh, you gotta give the demon.
Oh.
Congrats.
I haven't gifted diamond.
I will absolutely murder you this Beastmas if I don't see one toy horn in your inventory. Another.
Okay. Finally.
So now you need a spicy
I
beast.
spent over 100,000 royal jellies on that.
So now you need the precise beast. And the
And the
spicy.
spicy. And the vector.
Yeah. So get to fucking your Oh no, this is gonna be funny.
Bouillant. Fuzzy. Spicy. Okay.
Oh, this is comedy.
I'm gonna change this.
Oh, good.
One shot? Okay, I'm gonna buy
Remove
more
the
royal
puppy bee.
jelly.
Remove the puppy bee.
Oh.
Bro, I actually encourage you.
No, I dipped below 2 trillion, honey. What am I gonna do with my life? It's so over.
You know you're gonna roll SSA after this, right?
No, I have a star staff, which I believe
Wait, let me
is
see the stats.
decent
Wait,
enough.
the fuck? You're never going to get Digito with that star soul, bro.
What do you mean?
Bro, you
Okay.
don't have Red Bull and you wanna see my star soul? I
Oh
bear.
my god, I do not think.
You do not Vic? What? You do not my
I
name.
do. Yeah, I do not want to see your star staff.
Bro, I like how Discord just puts your name like it has dots, but your name is literally on your profile picture.
That's because OBS.
Yeah, I know. Oh my fellas. Wait, I'm gonna leak Cool Boy's user.
Yo.
No, it has dots and I don't remember it.
Chomby. Okay, time for the big one.
Cobalt B.
Ooh, festive goods.
Yo.
Fuck, all of those are in the wall.
Same. Okay, goodbye Cobalt B. Suck my dick. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
55,000.
I usually get Biffix in less than 1,000. Okay. You don't need more precises though.
I am just gonna keep them and change them back later.
Okay, nice. Okay. Buoyant. Aw. It's pure comedy when you get that Wolfuzz and Buoyant in one beam.
Yeah.
You should use your gifted diamond egg. Okay. Let me see what you need to remove. So the puppy bee, the diamond
I
bee.
am searching for precise bees and event bees. Oh my god.
Bro, this is why you need toy horns. Instead of having 3 music bees, you could have one with the toy horns equipped on your fucking bees. And you get spices in your... Oh my god, please just get...
Wait, is this puppy bee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove 2 precise bees.
Remove 2 music bees too. Please. One more.
Okay, what do I need more? Wait, no, that's a precise bee. Okay. I'm so used to stopping at precise bee.
This is mentally killing me.
Okay, vector.
Good. Do you have a gifted vector?
No, I don't.
Oh, you're fucked. You need one.
I might get one. I can get one. Does it need sunflower seeds?
Yeah.
Or
Wait, how many black balloons do you have?
8?
What? That's like one. That's the third rarest item in the game.
Okay.
And you have 8. Wait, how much marshmallow bees do you have? Because they are the rarest.
10?
Damn. Next time someone flexes on you with their gifted mythics, flex on them with your marshmallow and black balloons.
That's not even a lot. How many festive beans do you have?
So what bees do you need?
That was a good one, okay. That was a good one.
I'm more funny now. Please.
I'm gonna gift that.
Yeah, do it. Don't give him it. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, you got lucky.
Okay. Okay.
You got lucky.
Okay.
Oh, can I tell you one more thing?
Yeah.
Do you have bitter berries? You're gonna need mutations. Trust me.
Oh, do I have bitter berries? Do I?
Good.
I don't know.
Also, why is your microphone bugging?
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it normal now?
No, it's...
I changed absolutely no fucking thing. Just wanted to test. Maybe it was a one-time thing or not.
Can you rejoin? Because I'm hearing like popcorn.
That's not supposed to happen.
Yeah, it's when you talk.
Hello?
Yeah, it's better now.
What the fuck happened? It's not supposed to happen.
Okay, share me your screen again. Streamer.
Mr. Streamer, share me your screen.
Yeah, exactly.
Shared every single fucking word in that sentence. I don't know how I managed
Change
to do
another.
that.
Change another music.
Brother, I'm gonna become musicless. What do you mean change another?
Bro, you need only 2. Fucking hell.
Do I have 2? No,
You
I
have
don't.
3.
Okay.
Okay, give him Fuzzy. Give him Fuzzy. Come on.
Okay.
Bro, that demonic laugh I just made.
Okay. Now what? Do I change another precise?
Wait, how many precises do you have?
13 precisely.
Uh,
I am all the time. I'm waiting to make that damn joke.
that was so unfunny.
Do I need to precisely remove one precise bee?
I'm leaving.
Okay, no. It's funny though. It's funny. Don't.
Shut the fuck up, it ain't. It's only slightly.
It's precisely funny.
Oh my
Okay.
fucking god, I'm leaving.
Okay, so do I
I
need
hate
to
puns.
remove a precise bee?
I hate puns.
Puns are cool. They're precisely cool.
No, I fucking hate them. They give me nightmares.
Okay. I am having so much fun. So do I just remove a precise bee or what?
Yes, you precisely remove one.
Thank
Or
you.
3.
Oh well, I got another precise bee. Well, I guess next time.
Where's bro running to? Bro's running to Mama's spirit bear. What's your prediction for this Beastmas, by the way?
It's gonna be ass.
Probably. Remember how last, like 2 Beastmas ago, I said last Beastmas was shit. Then one Beastmas ago, I said the same thing, and this Beastmas, no. I mean, wait. Wimby.
Yeah.
3 Beastmases ago, when we met, I didn't say anything because that was my first Beastmas. Then 2 Beastmases ago, I said last Beastmas was better. 1 Beastmas ago, I said last Beastmas was better. This Beastmas, I am not saying it because last Beastmas was Robo Bear.
Maybe though, like 2 Beastmasses before were fucking puffs.
Yeah, that was good. I actually had fun.
I had half of fun there. Dude, I wish I wasn't so burnt out from the game. I was like this close on getting the Cup Buddy skin, and I'm like...
Wait, what was the skin? From last
Ginger?
Christmas?
No.
Oh
I
yeah,
don't
you
remember.
didn't get it.
Yeah, I was like too close.
I think I might actually get my first ever Cup Buddy skin this Beastmas.
So what do I change, Vic? I have like 1 of every fucking bee. 50 bees isn't enough.
Yeah, I can see that you have too much music bees. You change. Listen, this will actually mentally hurt you, and you're gonna get very annoyed, but you're gonna have to change the shock to bee.
I told you there was no need for the fucking shock bee.
I didn't know you would need spicy bees even with 50 fucking bees. Sorry, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
Why do I have a cool bee in my hive?
Shock bee?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what I will get. Oh, field dice. Okay, no. That was so unnecessary.
That was, bro, the ADHD is kicking in. I'm telling you. Finally. So what's your precise to spicy ratio?
It's precise. Okay, no.
Fuck off.
12 to 8.
Change one more precise to spice.
Oh, thank you.
I have 11 to 10, but I only have 5 vectors.
Oh, that was easy. Okay.
Nice. How much vectors do you have?
3.
3?
How the fuck do I have 3? Wait, do you have a fuzzy bee?
Yeah, I have a gifted one. I gave it the star treat and it didn't become gifted.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that joke.
That one.
I'm honestly still surprised to this very day that I have a gifted fuzzy bee. Like, I'm still fucking surprised. I'm honestly not even joking.
Brother, my gifted fuzzy bee is probably the oldest bee in my hive at this point.
Wanna know the oldest bee in my hive?
There is none.
No, there is one.
It's the spare bee.
No, I changed it when I griefed my hive.
Yeah. Wait, is it the gifted basic?
Yep. That thing, I never changed it after I got it, which was 2 years ago. I never changed it since.
The first time I got to the 35B zone, I remember like having my first mythic by the mythic egg, and it was a fuzzy bee.
Oh, I got my first mythic randomly by a royal jelly. And it was fuzzy too. And I honestly think out of every mythic, spicy or fuzzy will be the best. For a first mythic.
Dude, fuzzy bee is awesome.
Agreed.
Dude, but like it was so fucking good for me. I have 1 mythic egg. I have 34 bees. Okay, I'm gonna pop the mythic egg. Oh, it's a fuzzy bee. That's cool. Okay, now let's change it.
Yeah, when I actually got my fuzzy bee, I still played this game like often with my neighbor. Now I don't, and cause he quit. I don't know why. He just did, and I didn't. I never did. Well, excluding that one time. Anyways,
Which one?
what?
Which one time? Excluding which time?
um, uh, let's not talk about how many times I fucking quit this game.
So what bees do I need?
You're good.
Or do I not need? Wait, am I gonna be good with fucking 3 of these?
Oh, can I tell you
3
something?
fucking vectors?
Yeah, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
How much neon berries do you happen to have?
700?
How much glue do you have?
Over 300?
Okay, where are you? Stay where you are, I know where you are. Now, follow me. Follow me.
How many super smoothies do I have? I have over 15 super smoothies.
Not
I think
enough.
that's gonna be
Not enough, make 10 more.
Yeah, okay. Maybe later.
Okay. I'm not kidding, it's
I
probably
have,
not gonna
I
be
have
enough.
like 800 fucking glue. I don't know since when.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm not even kidding. You have like zero -6 experience in RoboBear. It's not gonna be enough, man.
It can be enough. If it's not enough, I always have enough materials to, make it enough. I can brute force it to be enough. Just so you know.
Okay.
If 15 isn't
The-
gonna be enough,
Just
I can add
remember,
another 15.
just remember, there is no brute forcing RoboBear. I learned that the hard way.
Oh, there is a brute forcing way of materials. I can craft 14 more, and I don't have enough purple potion. How many purple potion can I craft?
You probably need an auto clicker for that.
Good idea.
Yeah, wait,
Let me-
just craft 10, just in case.
Why is it so fucking slow?
Are you using the auto clicker I gave you?
Yeah, okay.
You are?
83. And what's holding me back is fucking red extracts. No, it's blue extracts. What? Huh.
Damn.
I'm actually confused.
Wait,
Why
craft
blue
10, craft 10. Purple potions.
Yeah, I wanna know. Yeah, okay, I think I have enough for like 100 per potion.
Just craft 10, just in case.
Also, I want to like get this damn heat treated planter like before maybe Beesmith. But 150 fucking hard waxes. That's impossible.
I have 14.
I have 43
I am
and that's still
trying
impossible.
to grind the dark scythe, but I think I'm gonna get it beastmas.
Good luck.
For the heat treated planter, I have
That-
the turpentine, I have the swirled wax. I can get the red extracts, I can get the beans.
Wait.
I only need
Let
the
me
hard
tell you a
wax.
tip with this.
Yeah?
This is like 10 times easier in Beastmas. Smoothies, you can get them with macroing with gingerbread bear. Caustic wax will be your main focus there. Which
Caustic wax,
should
I
be
have.
way easier.
Wait, how much caustic wax do you need?
50.
Oh, I have 35.
Yeah, that is probably free in Beastmas too. Hard wax and you can get it by macroing various things. Red extract, I'm not talking about it. You know,
So I
you
need
should
bitter
have
berries. How can I get bitter berries fast?
off runs
Oh my fucking god, kill me.
because that is like the most consistent way, if I remember.
And Mongo
Correct.
trick, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you have
like
any puffs?
four an hour.
Do you have any puffs?
I'm gonna use them tomorrow.
When?
I have the pedal puffs still.
When are you gonna use them?
Tomorrow when I start doing this Robo Bear.
Okay, it would be nice if you waited for my school to end.
I will, don't worry. What the fuck? Oh, it's the mark token, okay. No, it's not. What the hell is this? I just got a weird ass token.
Don't worry,
Okay,
you're
so-
gonna get a lot when you get digital B.
I'm gonna grind precision in here.
And do Coco?
Do crab.
Wait, can I get Pepper Patch duped? I mean, glitched? Come on, come on. Come on, Digital B. Glitch the Pepper Patch. Fuck you. I'm just waiting for my Digital B to actually dupe the fucking Pepper Patch.
What the hell? Why am I getting like a casual 40 million a second? I don't even need digital to boost good. I don't even have a star saw.
Wait, you
Like
need to
that is-
change. Wait. You need to change
Yeah,
your
I will do
stars.
that after coconut crab.
Okay. And you need mutations.
Okay, I will do that after the coconut crab.
And B equips.
I will deal with them last.
Like, you need everything you can get. Remember when you could help others do coconut crab with flames? Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, that was a part of Bee Swarm that I do not know how it works. If it even is true.
It was you. Don't you remember you did that with me and it worked?
I don't remember every single bit of that. Yo, 27 seconds, no way.
You got 27 seconds.
Yeah. No way, your digital be corrupt the spider field?
That would be
Why the fuck am I getting notification for that?
cause everyone does. When a gifted digital corrupts a field, everyone gets the notification.
Brother, can I like not have a full bag and, you know, have my bees produce some fucking tokens? Thank you. It was a bit too fucking late, maybe. Okay, gifted hasty bee just feels wrong, dude. I just realized that. It feels so fucking wrong. Okay, so now it's time for SSA.
Beg on your life to get the scorch saw.
I will not get a scorch, so just so you know, I am not that lucky.
I got a pop gummy not too long ago. Like the other day.
Scorching star.
You need star saw.
I know.
Bro, you don't need to click on keyboard, you can just summon a new one. Straight up.
And you?
Yeah.
Oh, star shower. That's what I was looking for. Scorch star.
What?
Oh,
Get it! It's actually good, it's actually good, get it. Bro, get it. It's good.
Okay.
You have red pollen and
I
pollen
will-
on it. Come on, get it, bro.
no, it's 66 blue.
It's a scorch saw. Roll more.
Wait, I wanna know. I wanna know. In the Bee Swarm Discord. Questions.
Wait, did I get banned from the Beast from Discord? Wait. Where is the Beast from Discord? Oh, I found it. I couldn't fucking find it.
Hey, is that one replace you?
No. Now I... See, I fucking told you! I absolutely fucking told you.
But no. Brother, I didn't even know that people could even agree on such thing.
I told you.
I didn't even... Like, actually. Okay, well, I guess that was not the best anticipated. It's better in every way. I thank you. Dude, I should have taken the picture of my old saw and just say like, is it? Oh my god, that was such a good opportunity.
For what?
Dude, I should have just... Wait, do I have a photo of my old Scott saw? Or no, all-star saw?
But I hear the popping again. Rejoin.
Hello?
Rejoin. The popping's annoying. Start streaming, streamer. For
Even check my voice, dude.
Oh, a white hive guide. I'm actually gonna need it. Digital, windy, tabby, gummy, festive. Photon! Photon!
Yeah. Also, I think I have a red version of this image. This might be a bit old.
The most legendary thing will happen right now.
What?
I'm gonna buy Photon B.
Are you a white hive?
No, I'm gonna buy it. But never use it. Just keep it as an egg.
Oh yeah, just what I told you the other day. Like, don't, like, have it but refuse to use it. Like, don't refuse to buy it, refuse to use it.
Wait, I'm gonna get a picture of having digital but not having Photon.
Wait, reply to the white hive guide and say what's step 2? Or something like that. Also, I think...
Check the questions.
Wait, Discord is not discording at the moment. I didn't even know that could happen. Hello, my Discord fucking trashed.
I asked what's step 2.
Why am I in Beast Form links looking for a group? replied. Level 11 Vicious. Yeah, Hive is much better. Also, this guy's Ant Amulet. This is an interesting one. Okay, that's definitely a keep, dude. That's not even a question.
I said replace.
Why?
It's better.
It's the same image. It is way better to keep it. Guys! Oh. Okay, so what's next? Fucking mutations. Oh, what do I have on my vicious? 7% attack.
Look at the peaceful questions. What I said.
Yeah, I know.
It's conveniently from there
From
to
the
that.
25th of December to May 30th. Yes.
What?
Yes.
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 Bro, what?
I get the whole hype to level 26.
Yeah, that's more worth it.
Bet. Okay. Thank you, Buzzbot. No, wait, that's not Buzzbot.
That's yakbdb. Dot
Yeah, XYZ.
yakbd. Dot huggs.
Yes. Easy.
Easies. Bro, listen.
You can see both of us.
YMB, I have a pro tip for you to get digital.
Yeah.
Change one of your
Yeah.
you should change your what's your favorite bee in your hive right now?
Probably this fucking fire bee.
Okay, what's your least favorite?
It's probably this fucking fire bee.
Okay, then you should change that fire bee for digital bee so that you can get digital bee.
Well, thank you. Okay, so now time for attack mutations. Yippee, the most important part. Okay, I'm gonna use an atomic treat. Okay, what bees first? Okay, I have enough material. Guys, help me, I can't myself. Killish.
Should we work on our alt?
Yes, I've been telling yes for a while. This hive is a bomb. Literally. Your music on YouTube telling you to buy Photon Bee. Okay, that might get you warned.
Bro, I just said okay, fine.
I don't know. Because like I got warned for a sickle and a hammer in a copy pasta. So... Bro got deleted. Probably not, as I was saying.
Okay, that guy's gonna.
It's not.
This guy's.
It's not consistent. I can tell you. It's also like, don't tell that I said you would get banned or you know.
No, do not give me
Because, you know,
PTSD. No.
there are mods lurking this channel like 90%. I'm guaranteeing it.
There's currently no mods online.
Yes. And did you know Discord is so good that you can set your status as invisible? Dude, why is Beast Worm Questions this active and not fucking general? Rage greater than spicy.
I agree. This is actually funny. I want honey. I have a marshmallow bean. You know what? I kind of want to go white, but there is a long ass journey.
Wait, can you repeat?
I want to go white, but there is a long journey to that. I think I'm gonna get dark side before I even think about going white. Wanna be red hive buddies?
No,
Why?
I'm gonna go white. 11% attack!
Keep it! Keep
What?
it. Keep it.
I
Brother.
11% attack. I've never seen 11% before.
I have 11% on one of my bees. 8%, 7%. Let's go bully Mondo
Mondo.
check. Let's go rape it. Let it go in. Wait, let it go in a shell and go out. Don't use your thing yet. Let's rape it.
Brother, will this fucking come
Do it.
out?
Jesus Christ, my game. Yes, digital B, thank you! I need B ability rate on my digital B, I'm gonna lie.
I am dying.
I am lagging and dying, and I died. OBS, I blame you.
OBS is like 90% the problem.
Why is my avatar so
Oh yeah.
small? Bro, why does my avatar look so small?
What do you mean?
Just... the legs look crooked. No, I didn't add my crocodile. Dice, I want dice. Give me dice. Yippee! One more dice I take. Yippee! Oh yeah, you have scorch. Oh my god, that's gonna piss me
Oh
off.
my god, the music! It's giving me fucking chills.
Music slaps.
It's giving me nostalgia that I never had! What's going
Shut
on?
up! Shut up, we need to vibe. Jesus Christ, that's random! Jesus Christ, bro, that's random.
That's so fucking random. Okay, let's go kill it.
Yeah, let's rape it.
Windy.
Windy. Let's rape it. Rape it.
No. I'm
Wait.
not gonna scream rape it, thank you.
Wait, can I even... is that... can I get demonetized for that? Oh, I mean... can I get striked?
In real life?
I mean striked. I didn't mean demonetized. I don't get any money. I don't care if I get demonetized. I care if I get striked.
You can, maybe. If someone cares enough about your videos, then you might.
Do you care enough about my videos? No.
I care enough about your videos, not your insults or slurs.
I was about to say a slur. I'm gonna cut that one out, actually. I've been recording for 45 minutes!
It was all for a damn stubborn bee.
Yeah, all for a shock to be you mean.
Wait, it's not coconut.
Coconut.
This video loves traveling.
Oh my god.
Traveling.
Bro. You are actually mentally incapable.
And so what? What if I pronounce a word Turkish? Is it not?
That you have a mic though.
What?
One day you know.
I won't.
Kuboy will probably tell you, since he's an absolute piece of shit.
Wait, can you repeat what you said?
Nothing!
Is it a Bulgarian thing? Cause I actually didn't hear half of it.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of done. It was fun.
Yeah, and like, what's more fun is I get to suffer about nectars for a while now.
I don't know what else
And
is
what
fun.
like a day and a night's worth of suffering.
We both have stuff that each other wants. I want Scorch Saw. You want Digital Beam. I have Digital Beam. You have Scorch Saw. But I'm not gonna do that trade.
I can be red, not gonna lie, since I have like.
You should be.
Saw,
You should stay
know?
red. With me. We should be red hive buddies.
Dude, I wish I could be blue again.
No, you don't.
It's like there is no fucking bad thing about blue. You just go in a field, like after grinding 3 hours aimlessly. Okay, no.
Yeah, but the music is so much better on red. Scorch Saw slaps.
Dude, it's just like I don't know, dude. It feels.
It slaps, bro.
How do you explain Scorch Saw? You can't explain Scorch Saw.
It slaps.
Like it just feels oddly mechanical and I don't know. But like at the same time,
It feels
doesn't.
Soviet.
It feels really weird.
Wait, we're communists now. No, we're Democrats. Wait, no, we're Democrats. Technically.
We're demo mans.
Let's do it! Boo! I have a meme of that somewhere. So technically when we were blue we were communists, and now that we're red we're Democrats.
But how do you associate blue with communism?
Because you can share your bubbles.
Oh, I thought you meant to buy the color.
Oh. No, I mean the entire thing.
Dude, when we're red, we're fucking Turkish Democrat? Turkish nationalists? No way.
No!
Red, just like the Turkish flag.
No! Bulgaria also has red. We're Bulgarian
Green
nationalists. Green. V-Storm's green. It nationalizes Bulgaria. Time to not share this vicious view with you.
No! We're both, what we, I don't know, we're both Turkish nationalists, baby.
Oh, then I'm killing. I should have killed it. I should have fucking killed it.
Even I'm not a Turkish nationalist, dude. That's
I'm a Russian nationalist.
the yellow freak. Okay, now jokes aside. What does Scorch Star do?
It shoves flames from the
Up
field.
your ass?
I was about to say that, yeah. It's
I don't
accurate.
have enough. Wait, how the fuck do you even work a red hive and Scorch Star without dark shite then?
Dark shite? What?
Dark sight?
Bro, what the fuck is a dark shite? That sounds so German.
That makes a sound, doesn't it?
Oh my god, there's actually words in German that are like closely to this. Okay, dark sci-fi. I wanna buy this thing.
Right, dude, it's
Dark Scheiße.
dark scheiße.
Do you even know what Scheiße means?
Shit.
Yeah, good. Du bist ganz.
Wait, can you repeat?
Du bist ganz.
These are guns or no?
No, it means you're a duck. And it's like one of the only things that I've learned from German in the past 4 years of my life.
I learned ich bin no, ich bin 80 Jahre alt. I know how to say 18 but not 16. I can say I am 18 years old, but I cannot say I'm 16 years old.
13, 14, 14, 16. Think it's that. 6.
16, 7, 18, 19, 20.
I'm hearing the popcorn again.
It's German, don't worry.
I'm hearing the popcorn again. Start streaming,
It was
streamer.
German sounds
Start
like that, don't
streaming,
worry.
streamer. Wanna play something else?
No, I'm gonna mutate my piece.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Say goodbye to YouTube.
Wait, you were recording this whole time?
Yeah,
Why?
I've been recording for most of the fucking call, bro. Say goodbye to YouTube now.
Oh my god, dude, you're so annoying. Why were you even recording? I thought you stopped for like, I don't know, 15 minutes ago or something.
Bro, it's been 53 minutes and I haven't stopped.
Oh my god, just
Say
end
goodbye
the
to YouTube so I
recording.
can say goodbye to
Fuck
YouTube.
YouTube.
Okay, bye YouTube.
Also,
Yeah?
yep. I got 3 attacks in a row. 9%, 8%, and 11.
Okay, I ended the
9,
recording.
9, 11.
I ended the recording, by the way.
Good. Dude, I don't want to mutate my bees like this early.
Okay, I expected you to say something. I didn't end it. Now I'm gonna end it. Okay, bye. Fuck this.